Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Bobby Joe's mom here with another jewel-worthy human treat. I've been experimenting with sugar-free and low-carb recipes. I've tried a lot of sugar substitutes, but I like to stick with the healthier alternatives like stevia. The problem I've encountered with stevia is the aftertaste it leaves. I'm not a big fan of sugar substitutes and their aftertaste. So I finally broke down and I bought some Confectioners Swerve. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I avoided it because it is pricey for a small bag, but I came across a sugar-free low-carb recipe that I wanted to try, and it called for Swerve. Just remember when you use these sugar substitutes to keep it away from your pets. So as I was searching for some sugar-free ice cream recipes, I came across a YouTube channel, Joe Duff, the Diet Chef. And he has several flavors of ice cream on his YouTube channel that he makes in a mason jar. If you are diabetic and avoiding sugar or just on a low-carb diet, you should really check out his channel. He has tons of recipes on there. I've made the vanilla and the chocolate mason jar ice cream over the past week. It is super easy to make, and this is how I made the vanilla. What you're going to need is the seeds from 1/4 of a vanilla bean, and if you don't know how to get the seeds from the vanilla bean, I will link a video above that shows you how. 3 tablespoons of Confectioners Swerve, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and this is optional, and then 1 mason jar with a lid. Now he states on his channel that in order to keep it from getting rock hard, you must take it out of the freezer around 4 hours, or you need to add vodka to it. I do not have alcohol in my home, but I will tell y'all that pure extracts like vanilla and peppermint are typically made with vodka. I saw a tip on adding coconut oil to keep it from getting rock hard, so I tried that and it worked great. So all you do is pour all the ingredients into a mason jar, and then you shake it 4 or 5 minutes. And if you don't want to shake it, you could always use a hand blender and blend it until it's thickened. Then you place it in the freezer for about 4 hours. And if it stays longer than that, it is okay. And if you don't add anything extra to keep it from getting hard, that's fine too. You can just leave it on the counter for about 15 to 20 minutes to thaw enough to dip. This makes 2 small bowls of ice cream, and I added some Lilly's sugar-free chocolate chips to give it a little chocolate flavor. This ice cream is delicious. It doesn't have an aftertaste. It is creamy like soft serve ice cream. I wouldn't share this if it didn't taste like ice cream. If you don't like coconut flavor in your ice cream, then don't use the coconut oil because it will have a coconut flavor. That's all there is to it. Then just share it with your human friends. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment to let me know you stopped by. And don't forget to check out Bobby Joe's Facebook page where we post updates not seen here. I hope y'all have a very blessed week and stay safe out there. Bye for now.